Hello, super easy tutorial on John Vinyl's Addicted. So it's 4 chords. It's going to be a F minor, F minor, a E flat, a C sharp major, and then a C9. So I'll show you what that sounds like. So first the F minor, it's going to be barring this, and then the A and the D string on the 3rd fret. So barring the 1st fret. So you can go like, then you do this. So you bar the first 3. You put your 2nd finger on the B string, on the 4th fret, 5th fret, put on the D, 6th fret, put it on the A. So this is the E flat. So it's pretty much a C shape in the 4th, 5th, and 6th, and then you bar the first 3. And go slide that down, exact same shape on the 1st fret. So C on the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, bar the first 3. The C sharp major, and then you're gonna go take the C9. So it's a C, but then you put your pinky on the G. So yeah, so all together. Sitting there wondering how far you'll go. You prefer. Did girl in a black dress, hair tied, how I like it. Here we go, no hourglass shaped lady. Is this perfect, honey?